So it's always great to see in October lots of people taking on new allotments, but it can be very overwhelming. The place could be full of weeds, and just knowing where to start is a real job. But one of my first tips is to grab a few pallets and make a compost bin. Doesn't matter where it is, just make a compost bin so you can start making some compost with all the free weeds in the garden. So I've just grabbed 3 pallets, so I'm going to show you how to make a quick, easy compost bin. So this is my first pallet. I'm just going to get the others and make a quick compost bin. There we go. So just within minutes we've got a nice compost bin. We could add a front. We just tie these in using some string or some zip ties. Wow, look at all this lot coming. So it's just great being on allotment, watching all these activities you wouldn't see if you're at home in bed. All those geese flying over. How lovely is that? So I'm just tying all these 3 pallets together. Easy. One job done. It's going to be a lot of there we go, within minutes, first allotment job done. Nice pallet bed, using pallets, and then we can start adding our contents to our compost bin. So first of all, I got some rabbit sawdust, and I'm going to add that to our compost bin. There we go, that's the start of our bin. So we're now going to clear some of the beds, and we've got a place to put all our compost. So we've just pulled out our tower, and we found some more green tomatoes. There's a couple here that's been spoilt, a couple that are just turning, and there's a few in here. So we're going to take these home, and we're going to ripen them at home. There we go, look at that. Those are a bit spoiled, and we've got one that's slightly eaten. Yep. There we go. So I grew my tomatoes in these cages, which is a good idea. I didn't have to stake it up, but can't get them out. So there's a few pros and cons. There we go. So I'm just going to give them a bit of a chop. I've loaded more tomatoes here. How's that? There's loads. Nearly composted all those. Gonna save them. So I'm just chopping it down, just so it breaks down quicker. So another great idea, if you've got a compost bin, is you can use them to stack your canes. Stack them up right, perfect. Keeps them tidy too. So just after 5 minutes work, we've already started filling it up, which is a great job. That would all break down nicely. Wonderful.